A dairy farmer's day starts just before sunup. Twice a day, every day of the year, our farmers milk an average of 250 cows. Today, let's take a look at how the milk gets from the farm to your fridge. Dairy farmers prides itself on hygiene, so the most important thing a farmer does before starting to milk is to make sure everything is clean. Clean clothes, clean hands, clean equipment, and the cow's udders need a good scrub, of course. Just so you know, milking doesn't hurt the cow. The electronic milking machine with suction cups helps the milk flow quicker and prevents me from getting a sore back. So now that we have the milk, what next? The fresh milk gets pumped all the way to the farm storage vats, where it's filtered, cooled and stored around 4 degrees. Once the milk is secure in the vats, the tankers turn up to transport the milk at the same temperature to the factory. As a precaution, the tanker drivers take a test of the milk to make sure it's okay before leaving the farm. So let's take a visit to the dairy farmer's factory and show you what happens next. Within 24 hours, the tanker reaches the factory. And on arrival, they do another test to make sure the milk is still around 4 degrees. Constantly testing the milk is really important to make sure the quality is perfect. The farm fresh milk then goes into the factory vats for pasteurization. Using the high temperature short time method, the milk is heated to no less than 72 degrees for no less than 15 seconds. The milk is then quickly cooled back to 4 degrees. Pasteurization kills bacteria and extends the life of the milk, so from the farm to your fridge at home, the milk is controlled and guaranteed to be really good milk. Just before we package up the milk, there's one more step, and that's called homogenization. This prevents the cream settling on top of the milk. The milk is forced through tiny holes at high pressure, which breaks up the cream. Then we go to the packaging lines. These machines run 24 hours a day, 6 days a week. Dairy Farmers is more than just full cream milk. By separating the fat, we make other great tasting Dairy Farmers milk varieties, such as Dairy Farmers New and Dairy Farmers Skim. We also add extra goodness of milk protein in light white and shape. Some of our Dairy Farmers milk have specific ingredients added to help with individual dietary needs, such as Dairy Farmers Kids and Heart Active. Dairy Farmers makes sure there is great tasting milk for everyone, and we hope our packaging helps you decide what milk suits you best. Every day, Dairy Farmers milk cartons are picked up from the factory in refrigerated trucks and sent to your local supermarket stores.
That way, every day you get a little bit of country goodness delivered straight from the farm to your fridge.
When you're looking for the perfect milk, look for Dairy Farmers milk, Australia's milk since 1900.